This 5-minute solution will show you how to get iPhone Memojis to Android phone to add to Instagram story. Follow these easy steps to easily get Memoji for your Instagram story. On your Android device, go to Play Store and here search for Memoji. And this is the actual app we are going to use. So install this free app. Once it's installed, launch this app. And here, tap on Memojis. And here you will get lots of free Memojis to use from your Android device. For example, I want to add this emoji to my Instagram. So I'm going to tapping on this emoji package. And here we can see Memojis. Now, just tap on the Memoji that you want to add to your Instagram story. And tap on download. And now you have to watch an ad to download any Memoji. Once it's saved to your gallery, as you can see, now go ahead and launch your Insta application. Tap on this plus icon, select story, create story. And now you can select story background color. Now tap on sticker and here select upload. Now you can easily select the Memoji you just downloaded and you can make the Memoji bigger and smaller like this. Let's download another Memoji. Maybe this one. Just tap on download. Once it's saved, go to your Instagram story, tap on sticker and upload, select your Memoji, and that's it. This is how we can easily add iPhone Memojis to Instagram story from Android. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.